Good morning students, I am your geography teacher El Mitra. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is the climate. Perhaps you know the climate play an important role in Indian agriculture system. So that is why its chapter is very important regarding farmers as well as your syllabus. So today we are going to discuss there are main eight factor which play important role in Indian climate and weather system. One by one we discuss. So today we are going to discuss 4 of them out of 8 system, and next day we will discuss the next 4 factors. So let's start. First factor, if you want to discuss, that is the altitude. So altitude means the height from the sea level. So if a person slowly ascend to the altitude, so the temperature decreases, but the rate, what is the rate will be for that? The rate is 6.4 degree centigrade per 1000 meter of ascending. So this is normally called as a normal lapse rate in geographical term. If a person living in a plain area, he or she feels, you can say, the normal climatic condition, but a person living a higher altitude means you can see the Himalaya mountain region, northeast Himalayan, or the or any part of the Himalayan region. So that time he or she experience the extreme cold climate because the altitude. So altitude play a vital role. Next come to the latitude. Perhaps you know that the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India and it crosses the more or less 8 states. First one is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, then come to Bengal and Tripura, etc. So this Tropic of Cancer determine the climate condition of India. For example, a person who is living in the southern peninsula, this person feels very hot and wet climate because this area is near to the equator, and one person who is living in the Jammu Kashmir feeling very cold because this person is very far away from the equator. So according to this, you can divide our climate mainly into two types on the basis of the Tropic of Cancer. First, above the equator we feel the continental type of climate, and in the peninsular, such as you can say here Mumbai, then come to Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha also experiences maritime climate because this area is very near to the Arabian Sea as well as the Bay of Bengal. To distance from the sea, if a person just moving towards the Kanyakumari, towards the northern portion, that is Jammu and Kashmir, so this person experience climate condition from the southern portion of Kanyakumari, slowly this person moving towards the northern portion. So climate will change because of the distance from the sea. If this person move towards the northern portion from the sea, so that time the climate will slowly change. Here he feel the maritime type of climate day and night time, and and Delhi, if this person reach to the Delhi, so he or she feels the extreme climate. Here you can see that uh, uh, there is two types of influence, that is the distance from the sea, and another is the distribution of the land and sea. So, we easily come to the next point, that is the distribution of land and sea. Perhaps you know, according to the thermodynamics law, that the land area heated up very fast as compared to the sea or the water bodies. So, what happened at the daytime when the land surface easily heated up? So, in this portion easily low pressure generate, and low pressure generates, this low pressure cell attract, you can say, the water bodies or the high pressure wind from the Bay of Bengal and from the Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean as well. So, this is the situation at the daytime. So, daytime we can see the sea wind which is moving from sea to land, and next come to the what happened during the night. Perhaps you know, this area means the water bodies or the sea slowly heated up and slowly release the heat. So, what happened during night time, this area slowly release their heat and as compared to the land area and become a high pressure low pressure area, and slowly this area attract the or the wind move from land to sea. So, this type of climate can be seen during this time. So, these are the basically 4 factors. So, next video will discuss about the next 4 factors. Thank you.